Click Members. Then click New. Enter the first name, and any other required member information. For example, phone, address, or email. Except for first name, all other information is optional. Click Spiritual to enter the spiritual information for this member. For example, privilege, date immersed, pioneer status, or life and ministry meeting student. All information is optional. Click Assign to set which congregation assignments or duties the member can perform. For example, life and ministry meeting parts, public talks, or duties. All information is optional. Finally, click Publisher Record to enter the member's publisher record. This is also optional. After you have added some members, you are now ready to schedule.